today we are going to talk about this Mousse foundation. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Today in this video, as you all know from the thumbnail, you all must have got a little bit of idea. I am going to show you the swatches of two shades. I am telling you upfront only, two shades of NY Bae Mousse foundation. Yes, NY Bae has come up with a new launch product. It is their Mousse foundation. Prior to this foundation, they had their Dewy Drops foundation. In that also, I have purchased two shades and I have already done one review video on that. I will give you that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if at all you want to watch that video, you can go ahead and you can watch. But today we are going to talk about this Mousse foundation. Before moving ahead or before diving into the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And right now what you can see on my face is the same foundation, and this is the you can say testing period, or maybe the trial period, or maybe the wear test is going on. Right, now let's begin with the outer packaging. Now outer packaging of this particular product is it kind of a black box. You can see this is the black box. Okay, it says NY Bae Mousse foundation. On the top it says NY Bae. Over here it says NY Bae Mousse foundation. On the other side it says the ingredients, how to use, and each and every detail. On the third side it says manufacturing expiry as well as the MRP and the net content. Manufacturing of this product is February 22, expiry is 7/24. So 22, 23 and 24. So total almost 30 months of shelf life you are going to get. The MRP of this product is 349 rupees, but that offers and all I'll tell you little later. The net content in this particular product is 22 grams and this is made in India product. That is what is given over here. And on the fourth side they give you the basic key features, not ingredients, key features of this product. It says smooth texture. Yes, I can say it is very smooth, like it feels like baby butt. Seriously, it feels like that. It's very smooth in texture, long lasting. We will see that. Natural matte finish. Yes, right now I can see in my mirror it is giving me a matte finish. Lightweight, of course it is lightweight, and enriched with 8 miracle oils. I'm not sure about 8 miracle oils, but they say it is enriched with 8 miracle oils. Right now, as I told you, it is 22 grams and 349 rupees. Now you will say, Meghna, 349 rupees for 22 grams is a little bit expensive, but yes, it is expensive keeping the MRP in mind. But when you go and check Purple's website, they do have lot of sales offers here and there. Right now when I'm filming, they have their holy sale going on. Sometimes they have on NY Bae, they have buy one get one free. So if at all you are ordering this product, you can go and order some other product. Whatever is the higher price, it will be charged and lower price will be free. So you can decide accordingly, or else there are a lot of tips and tricks you can do that way and you can order the foundation. Right, and I'll give you my referral code also. It will be pinned in the comment section as well as it will be given in the description box. If you will use that, you will get some discount on your Elite membership, as well as the buying links will be given in the description box. Now let's begin with the shade range and all. I'm just opening my phone because I don't want to mess up with any other thing. It just says, this is my phone. It says NY Bae Mousse foundation, smooth, lightweight, natural matte finish, long lasting and super mattifying effect. Yes, that's what I was telling you during the demo. It says super mattifying, but right now I cannot feel any stretchiness or anything. We will check all the things. Now on the app they say, I'll just check the detail. It says its country of origin and everything. Highlights we can just check. Smooth texture, natural finish, long lasting, lightweight, enriched with same. Whatever is given on the outer box, same is given. They say dab the foundation lightly on your face, blend it using your fingers or your foundation brush. During the demo you must have seen I have used only my fingers. I have not used the foundation brush, though I have the NY Bae dual foundation brush, dual foundation plus blush brush, but I have not used that. But I just wanted to see whether I can use only fingers and I can manage the work, because sometimes when we are going out, when we are on hurry, when we are in hurry, we don't have that much time, so our hands are the best friend. And sometimes like Mousse foundation and all, they work well with the hand. Why? Because our heat of our hands, it gets blended with the foundation and the foundation gets little bit heated, warmed up, you can say. It gets little bit warmed up and you can easily work it out, because I have dry skin and mousse foundations are not actually very good friend of dry skin, especially this NY Bae. So that is why I have used my hands just to blend the foundation. I could have used one side foundation brush and one side it, but I have not used that. Right now, that is what the basic details is given on the app and all. Now they have all together in this 8 shades. I have 2 shades. Shade number 4 warm neutral, warm natural, and shade number 5 warm golden. You can see these are the 2 shades. When you check about the shade name on the box, it is given on the cap. That is when you open the flap, on that with the sticker it is given. Right, this is what basically the outer packaging and the texture and everything, key ingredients and everything I have told you. Now I will show you the inner packaging. The inner packaging of this foundation is kind of this tub. It is a like you can say see-through tub, but you can't see actually the shade because they have the label all around it. It has a glossy black cap. When you just open the cap, they have a shifter. But before that, I'll just tell you NY Bae, it says Mousse foundation, and the shade is also given over here. If you can see, I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. It's very teeny tiny, but it is given over here. Okay, and on the back side, that is on the below, they say NY Bae Mousse foundation. They say each and every detail, but manufacturing and expiry, as far as my knowledge is there, it's not given over here. So if at all you want to throw away the outer packaging, you just have to make a tag or something, whatever you are comfortable, you can do that. Now we'll talk about, like, when you open, you can see it has a lid kind of. There you have a, yes, this is the texture of shade number 05. This is the shade, and meanwhile I do not use any kind of filter. So if at all you are wondering Meghna is using any filter, my videos are raw, they are not filtered. I'll show you the shade number 4 also. While demo, actually I have shown you the swatches on my face, but over here I'll show you side by side. Now you can see both the foundation together. On my left it is 4, on my right it is 5. In fact, if I want to work, I can work with both the foundation. This is going to be a little bit lighter, but you can say during summer this is going to be like, no, summer this will be good, and in winter I can use this shade. I am not sure, but since I was little bit confused with the shade, because they both say it is for warm undertone and I have warm undertone, so I was actually confused. So I ordered both shades, and there are total 8 shades. 3 to 4 shades are basically for fair skin tone, and rest all shades are for medium and then darker skin tone. So if at all you want, I can let you know the shade details and everything also. Now what I will do, as I shown you the timing also, I am just waiting for 4.5 hours or maybe 5 hours for the wear test. Let me see how it wears, how it, like, whether I can feel stretchiness. I have not applied any stretching spray. I have NY Bae dewy setting mist over here, but I have not applied anything. I just want to know if at all I can just carry this foundation for 5 hours or maybe for 4 hours. Whatever my final thoughts, I'll get back to you at that time. Yeah. Yes, before moving ahead, I would just like to show you the timing. It is right now 12:17 in my phone. So maybe till 4:17 or maybe till 5. I'm not sure how much time or whatever possible from my end. I will do the best from my end. Yes, now let's begin with the demo. Before moving ahead, I would just like to tell you my lipstick detail. It is from NY Bae Smudge Proof Liquid Lipstick. It is in the shade number 5 or the brown. This is what the shade I'm having right now on my lips. I have one separate video on this particular lipsticks. If you want, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can go ahead and you can watch the same. As well as I have already moisturized my face and primed my face. For primer, I have used NY Bae that color corrector, orange color corrector primer. I have already used that and it is already good 4 to 5 minutes. It's already settled on my skin. As I told you in the intro, I have 2 shades, shade number 04 and shade number 05. Shade number 04 is warm neutral, warm natural, and shade number 5 is warm golden. So I have 2 shades now. I am not sure, because even for me also this is going to be first impression. So what I'll do is, first I'll swatch shade number 4 on my face, and we'll see whether this is shade number 4. You can see the swatch of shade number 4, and I'll swatch shade number 5 also. So we will see which shade, or else we'll mix 2 shades. This is shade number 4, this is shade number 5. Now what I am planning to do is, since I have both the shades, first apply shade number 5 only. Let's apply shade number 5 only. I know it is going to be little bit darker, but, and they say either you can blend this foundation with your fingertips or you can use the foundation brush. So this is, I have already taken my, I have already here my NY Bae foundation brush. You can see over there, I already have that. Now I'm not sure, I'll first try to blend with my fingers only, and they say this is matte foundation, so I'm not sure how it is going to be applied. Yeah, it is basically very moussey texture as the name suggests. Now the blending is done. I'll just come little bit close by to the camera, and before doing that, what I'll do is I'll just take a swatch of it. I'll just swatch it on my hand, and after applying the full face of makeup, I'll apply a fresh swatch. I'll show you the fresh swatch so that you will have an idea whether this foundation is oxidizing on me or no. Generally foundation doesn't oxidize on me because I have pretty dry skin, but still we will check for this. Now you can see this is the swatch, hand swatch. Right, now I'll just come little bit close to the camera. This is pretty matte. You can see it is already applied, and it is giving me, I can right now only see it is giving me a powdery finish. Let's see, let's keep it for some time. Or maybe, I'm not sure for how much time I will keep the foundation, but whatever there, I'll keep minimum for 4 hours, and I'll give you the final thought and everything after 4 hours. But before that, I'll just finish my full face of makeup and I'll be right back. Yes, I'm back with my full face of makeup. You can see I've already applied the basic normal makeup, whatever I do. Now this swatch, you can see it's already dried. And I don't think there is much difference between the swatch and my hand. Right, now I'll apply, this is the fresh one. I'll apply on my hand. Right, of course focusing the camera takes little bit of longer, but from the both the swatches I can just compare that there is no oxidization whatsoever on my hands. This is my face right now. If you ask me, the right now my experience with the foundation, I cannot feel dryness, that is the stretching or anything on my face, because this is a Mousse foundation and they say it is very matte foundation. As of now I cannot feel any such I'm not having any such feeling. I'm not sure what is going to happen after 4 hours, because you all know I do have dry skin, and by ordering this foundation I have taken a kind of a risk, because they say it is very dry for very oily skin. Yeah, this will give you a very dry effect. So I am not sure. So this is right now the full face of makeup. Now we will just wait for maybe 4.5 hours or maybe 5 hours. I'm not sure. Whatever will be there, I'll give you the timing at that time, and I'll be back after that time. Yeah, see you soon. Yes, now I'm back almost after 5 hours. You can see the timing. It is right now 5:10. 5 minutes less to 5 hours, but then it's okay. Right now you will ask me about my final thoughts. Here are few of the things which I wanted to tell you. I cannot feel stretchy. I cannot feel like very dry on my face. It is quite comfortable. Only the thing is, it is not like transfer proof. Of course I had not set the face with the powder. I never set my face with powder. It is just that the foundation, and I just set the concealer with the powder. So when I wore a mask, I just went down for some work. When I wore a mask, you can see over here on my nose the foundation is ripped off. That is, the foundation is not there. Okay, the foundation is already I have a habit of rubbing my nose also. You can see from inner corners of my nose also the foundation. You can check over here because I have a habit of doing this way. So over here also you can see the foundation is already gone right now, and rest all things I can see the foundation is pretty much as it is intact. and it's quite comfortable. They just say it is smooth texture. Yes, I do agree, totally agree. It is very smooth, like as I told you earlier only. Then it is natural matte finish. Yes, and I can say this is very good foundation for oily skin. Of course, I belong to dry skin, but still I have experimented. Of course, I am just planning to use this particular foundation with some dewy primer or something which will give me some little more moisture. This is long lasting. Yes, I can say till 5 hours it has put up well. It is lightweight. Yes, I cannot feel any, like as if I cannot feel I have wore any mousse foundation. It feels like I have applied any powder kind of foundation. It is that light. And I tried to use my phone also. On my phone also, I'll just show you. On my phone also it was not transferring. Now you can see right now there is, one second, there is nothing on my phone. You can see if I'll talk on the phone and if I do this way also, you can see it has not transferred. Ring light must be reflecting, so please excuse me for that. And you can see it is not transferred on my phone also, and I have not touched up the foundation. Yeah, basically I tried to cover each and everything. And of course, for your reference, if at all you are wondering, I have used Glamm Golden on my face, as I told you during the demo also. And for reference, in Maybelline Fit Me I am 332, in Maybelline Superstay I am 310, and in MAC I am NC 43.5 powder foundation. So these are just the basic reference shade. If at all you are similar to my skin tone and all, you can go for shade number 5. Of course, if you are little lighter, then shade number 4, but you should have warm altitude. Then shade number 4 also is a good match. Yeah, I have tried to show you the oxidization test and everything, and of course the foundation is not oxidized on my face. I cannot see, like it is as it is. I cannot see any oxidization on the face. Yes, I have tried to cover each and every point, but still there may be few points which I have not covered. If you feel that, you can definitely let me know. You can ask me in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can follow me on Instagram. You can DM me over there. I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. And if at all you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, definitely you can let me know over here or else on Instagram. And yeah, if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel. Don't go without liking and subscribing. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.